Porsche's 2025 lineup welcomes back the 911 GT3 and GT3 Touring, alongside the GT3 RS. These models boast a naturally aspirated 4.0-liter flat-six engine, delivering 502 horsepower in the GT3 and 518 in the GT3 RS, reaching a thrilling 9,000 revolutions per minute. Welcome to Bike and Car Saga. Speed up to your ride. For 2025, the GT3 models feature redesigned LED headlamps, a new front diffuser, and improved aerodynamics. The GT3 Touring offers a lightweight package with carbon fiber elements and forged magnesium wheels. Rear seats return as an option for the GT3 Touring. It's hard to pick a single winner of the trio as they're all incredible cars, but our hearts belong to the absurd GT3 RS, the closest thing yet to a 911 race car for the street. The GT3's 4.0-liter engine offers a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic or a 6-speed manual. The GT3 RS with 518 horsepower features a drag reduction system and stiffer suspension for track performance. Both models provide exceptional cornering grip and communicative steering. Stopping these purists' Porsches are massive binders with steel brake rotors. A carbon ceramic option provides heroic braking power, easy modulation, and resists fade at the track. Active anti-roll bars for flatter cornering are also available. Inside, the GT3 mirrors the 911's clean design with unique GT mode displays. The RS model includes extra steering wheel controls. Infotainment features a 10.9-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto with an optional Bose stereo upgrade. Notably, part of the headrest padding can be removed to make additional room for drivers wearing a helmet. As an alternative, customers can also order the 18-way Adaptive Sport Seats Plus. The infotainment system found on the regular 911 finds its way into the GT3 version. That means a 10.9-inch touchscreen inhabits the center of the dashboard and is supplemented by some physical controls on the steering wheel as well as on the center console. The Porsche's connectivity features include wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as a Wi-Fi hotspot. There's also an option to upgrade to a Bose stereo. The infotainment system found on the regular 911 finds its way into the GT3 version. That means a 10.9-inch touchscreen inhabits the center of the dashboard and is supplemented by some physical controls on the steering wheel as well as on the center console. The Porsche's connectivity features include wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as a Wi-Fi hotspot. There's also an option to upgrade to a Bose stereo. The 2025 Porsche 911 GT3 starts at $224,495, while the GT3 RS begins at $243,295. Both models offer various packages and options, including the Weissach package for the GT3, enhancing performance and aesthetics with carbon fiber components. Porsche provides a competitive limited and powertrain warranty that also includes one no-cost maintenance visit. Mercedes-AMG, for example, doesn't include any maintenance with the purchase of its car. Limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Included maintenance is covered for 1 year or 10,000 miles. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment with share your thoughts. If you love this video, please do subscribe, thumbs up, and share. See you next.